Welcome back to our motor control club. Today we will be doing continuity and voltage tests on our Project 1 circuit, a circuit breaker to a single pole single throw switch to a light bulb. Here we get started. I'm going to test our leads first on our continuity mode on our meter. It's important to know how to trace our circuit with continuity and with voltage if you want to become a good troubleshooter. So here we start by checking our line side and our neutral on continuity, and we read OL. This is good because we don't want a connection between those two. That would be a short circuit. Now as we turn our circuit breaker on and off, we could see that we have continuity there. It goes from open line to 1, meaning that every time we turn our breaker on, we have a connection. Now we're following the terminal blocks. Have continuity all the way. And we make our way to our light switch. We're on OL on our load side of our light switch, but once we turn it on, we have a connection there. We have continuity. Now heading to our load side terminal blocks. We're reading the other side of the light bulb on continuity, but the resistance of the light bulb is too high, so we're switching to our ohm setting on our meter. Now we can read the ohms value of the light bulb. I'm testing here right before and right after the light bulb connection. I put my black lead on the line side of my circuit breaker, and I continue along the path with my red lead, all the way back to where my neutral would end. Now we're going to run the same tests, but with voltage. So that was with the power off. That's the safest way to test your circuit, that everything's connected properly. But if we want to test with voltage on, we switch our meter to volts, alternating current. First, I'm going to test my leads here. Switching to volts AC. And now I have one lead on my line side and one lead on my neutral. And I'm getting 118 volts there, which is perfect. That's our potential difference between line and neutral. Now leaving my black lead on my neutral, I'm going to continue the path and follow the voltage. I turn my breaker on and I'm getting voltage now across my breaker. Voltage is continuing along the terminal blocks, getting 118 all the way. On the line side of my light switch, and I have 0 volts on the load side, meaning this switch is off. Switching my black lead now to my line side, you see that now I have voltage there. Turn the light on and the voltage is gone, but I put my black lead on the neutral and now I have voltage again. It's important to remember that you will only detect voltage when you have one lead on your line side and one lead on your neutral. If at any time you have both leads on the same side, you won't read any voltage. Continuing along now again, remember I have my black lead on my neutral. Now I'm on the neutral side of the light bulb. So I put my black lead on my circuit breaker, my line side, to read the 120 volts. Remember, you're only going to read 120 when one lead is on your line side and one lead is on your neutral side. I'm saying 120 volts, even though our meter is saying 119, it's all right to be off by 1 or 2 volts. And that concludes our voltage test. That's how we measure our circuit with continuity and with voltage checks. Thanks for watching.